In this tutorial, I'll show you how to disable automatic updates temporarily using settings in Windows 10 or 11. If you want to prevent your Windows 10 system from downloading a specific update immediately, you can temporarily disable automatic updates instead of permanently turning off Windows Update. You can pause updates for up to 7 days by following these steps. Click on the Start menu, and then select the Settings icon to open the Settings app. In the Settings window, click on Update and Security. In the Update and Security menu, select Windows Update from the sidebar on the left, and then click on Pause Updates for 7 days option. Once you complete these steps, Windows Update will be paused and no longer download updates for the specified time period. After the pause limit is reached, you will need to install the latest available patch to enable the pause option again. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.